What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We need a lot of subscribers, followers, viewers, likers, commenters, sharers, subscribers, all that good stuff. So I've been continuing with like a bit of a winter theme now, as obviously it's the colder months. You're gonna need to wrap up warm. So I've been buying a few jackets, you know, a bit high end, whatever. So this brand specifically, this was, I believe, my second or third jacket from them. However, they were all bought around the same time and they all weren't worn straight away, so they're all, you know, whatever. The tags on this one, actually, the tags are in the pocket. Let's just get into it quick. So all the important bits and bobs I put in the pocket. Reason being is because I just really wanted to wear the jacket one day, and I thought I haven't done a video. Silica gel, baggie of buttons. This actually goes on the zip. I don't know why anyone would want that on the zip, but I'll just stick it back on. So it comes with a bit of accessories or whatever. This is actually the label. I took it off. I needed to because I wanted to go out and I wanted to wear it. So this is actually the style, whatever that is, M31 MJ148, color 292. That's probably their code. Color description black. Nice and simple, we like that. Size extra large. Description is a Mcaskill jacket. I don't really know if I pronounced that right, but we move. At the bottom it says created from Canadian and imported materials. Whatever. Then obviously it's got the Moose Knuckles Canada logo, badge, whatever you want to call it. Power Puff, so this is known as Power Puff, not to be confused with Power Puff Girls. We packed this puff because it's never enough, and then it's got, I believe, some French words. Function index, so it says it's eco-conscious recycled polyester shell, so that's all the outside. RDS certified high loft 80/20 down insulation, water repellent shell which keeps the elements out, water resistant durable hardware and trims, wind resistant construction to keep you warm. So, you know, good old jacket. So this is the levels. So chilly cold, crazy cold, Canada cold. So crazy cold just means it is for it's heavy and durable. Choose these garments when the cold gets serious. So for serious cold, obviously, normal cold would be just like a bit of a thinner jacket, a thinner puffer. That will probably be a windbreaker. This will probably be some seriously heavy parka that they do. Obviously, crazy cold is good enough because, you know, it's for crazy cold. But that's all that. I had to actually I just ripped it out and I was like, I'm wearing this jacket. Forget the video. We'll do that another day. This is the another day. It comes with like Moose branded, so literally Canada Moose Knuckles, Canada. I was gonna say Canada Moose. It's like, what is that? Some buttons, rivets and stuff just in case they come off. Silica gel, do not eat. Very important. I don't think there's anything else in the pockets that I need to be made aware of. But yeah, so the puffer, let's just get into it on a kind of diagonal one. So this is the puffer. And so I'll just do half of it now. So the bottom half is, you know, it's just the puffer. It's got zip pockets, very durable. What I love zip pockets, solid silver zip pockets on both sides. Whoops, I shouldn't be doing that. I'm actually beating up the tripod. And the top half, which is basically the best bit or the most important bit. So it's got the zip that comes with this thing. I took it off because I think it just looks silly. So it just clips off. It's got the little Moose Canada, Moose Knuckles logos, whatever, on a bit of ribbon. I'm not wearing that outside, to be honest. It just looks stupid. Yeah, so the hood, I love this hood. It's just such a nice looking hood, proper durable, puffy hood. I love the hoods which have, you know, the bit that goes across. It's got 3 buttons, or should I say 3 like press studs. Nice shiny rivets, so it looks quite good. Also, if it gets crazy cold, you can always pull it, make it tighter. Whatever, so it stays around your face, and then on the back it's got it as well, so it makes it tighter. One of the things that the jacket is known for, or what moose knuckles are usually known for, is that moose sign, obviously they are velcro, or mostly I believe are velcro. I don't think there's any that are not, can't remember off the top of my head. It is very stiff, so look, it needs you to yank it if you wanted to ever take it off. I'm just gonna literally just stick this back on because why not. You can wear it like that if you want to also, or you can just put this back on. That's just down to preference. I'm just gonna leave it how it came. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Right, let's get quickly to the inside of the jacket. I really do need a better setup for this, not gonna lie. Let's open up the jacket. So it says XLTG Moose Knuckles Power Puff, and it's got this kind of inside thing. I hate it. I put it on just for the sake of the video. I just literally took it off before I wore the jacket, as it's annoying, uncomfortable, and to me unnecessary. So that just comes off. I'm not using that either. Right, so on this side of the jacket, it's got lost and found, so it's got like an open pouch, other stuff like a zip, stray stuff and stash, and then it's obviously got a little explanation of what the Power Puff is. So Power Puff, we packed this puff because it's never enough, again, and then all the stuff that I read previously, just again on a nice sticker. It's got this sort of silver lining, I believe, that keeps you insulated, keeps you warm. It looks like one of those, you know, those roadside assistance things. This is all the labels and stuff, care labels, and this bit is the most important bit. So what that is that's the NFC RFID tag. So that's to tell that it is actually legit. So if you've purchased a authentic Moose Knuckles product, and what I'll actually do is I will in a second go ahead, and once I've actually found the NFC reader on my phone, what you do is you literally get the tag, make sure you have your NFC reader on the phone, just leave it there to scan their new thing. Lovely, doesn't work when I need it to, but it worked 10 minutes ago. Come on man, work. There we go. I think I don't know why it wasn't working. So Chrome obviously I'm going to use, and now it's going to check the authenticity. It's checking, and it says good news, your item is 100% had a Mike Tyson right there. It's 100% authentic. Would you like to register your product so we can track and streamline future warranty claims? I haven't registered it yet. I will obviously do so. So yeah, good news is 100% authentic. That's just kind of how to check if it's real or not. Obviously, it was from a reputable seller, an authorized stockist, I should say. So not just one of those random shops. But yeah, that's pretty much just the lowdown on the Moose Knuckles Mcaskill jackets. Really beautiful puffer jacket. Proper heavy duty for the winter, definitely. Strong contender for one of the best puffers I've owned, and I've owned like 50 puffers plus easily. That's no lies. But yeah, people, tell me if you like them, if you rate them, if you hate them, if you've got one, if you're looking to get one. And yeah, let's discuss puffers if you want to discuss puffers. But that's literally all from me for today. Thank you for watching if you got this far. And the most important thing is take care, people.